Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Baldur's Gate 3 on mobile. Since the game isn't natively designed for phones, the key is using cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the full PC version directly to your device, letting you enjoy the epic adventure anywhere. We'll explore the main services that make this possible, like Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce Now, ensuring you can dive into Faerun on the go. It's a fantastic way to experience this rich RPG without needing a powerful computer. Choosing the right cloud service is your next step. If you have an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, you can stream Baldur's Gate 3 through Xbox Cloud Gaming, even if you own the game digitally. For those who own the game on Steam, NVIDIA GeForce Now is an excellent choice, offering various membership tiers. Additionally, services like Boosteroid and Shadow PC provide robust cloud streaming options, each with their own subscription models and benefits for playing PC games on mobile. Once you've selected a service, setting up is straightforward. First, download the official app for your chosen cloud gaming platform from your device's app store, whether you use Android or iOS. Next, log in with your account credentials and link your game library, such as Steam, if required by the service. For optimal control and immersion, we highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth controller to your mobile device before launching the game. While touch controls might be available, a controller significantly enhances the experience. To truly enjoy Baldur's Gate 3 on mobile, optimizing your experience is crucial. A strong and stable internet connection is paramount. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection is highly recommended to minimize lag. You might also want to adjust the in-game graphics settings within the cloud service to find a balance between visual quality and smooth performance. For a more comfortable and immersive view of the game's detailed world and extensive text, consider playing on a tablet rather than a smaller phone screen.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.